The Chester Rapist, Paul Rowlands, was convicted of rape and assault by penetration after a trial at Chester Crown Court that ended on Wednesday, July 2. A 55-year-old resident of York Street, Chester, has been remanded in custody and is scheduled to appear at Chester Crown Court on Thursday, July 24, for sentencing. During the trial, the court was informed that the victim encountered Paul Rowlands at a friend's residence in Chester on Wednesday, May 3, 2023. Later that evening, the victim and a companion visited Paul Rowlands' former residence on St. Anne Street, Chester. The victim subsequently dozed off on the sofa. Paul Rowlands awakened her by seizing the collar of her coat and pulling her to the floor. He subsequently raped and sexually attacked her several times within an hour. He also menaced her with death if she did not remain silent. The victim successfully extricated herself from the location and ultimately proceeded to Chester railway station. She informed two on-duty cops about her experience. Paul Rowlands was subsequently apprehended on Friday, May 5, 2023. In his interview, he asserted that he could not recall any sexual activity and explicitly denied engaging in anal intercourse with the victim. Nonetheless, subsequent forensic investigations revealed a different conclusion. Paul Rowlands was later indicted for the charges. Notwithstanding his plea of not guilty, the substantial evidence resulted in his conviction on all charges by a jury after a 7-day trial. In the aftermath of the verdict, Detective Sergeant Chester Ward stated, "Firstly, I would like to commend the victim for the courage and bravery that she has shown throughout this investigation. Paul Rowlands is a sexual predator who took advantage of the victim while she was in a vulnerable and disoriented state, and what he subjected her to was nothing short of sickening. While the victim will never be able to forget what happened that night, I hope that the verdict reached will provide her with some reassurance and help her to move forward." DS Ward added, "Nobody should have to experience what the victim has been through, and if anything can come from this case, I hope that it encourages other victims of sexual offences to come forward and report them to us. Cheshire Constabulary takes any allegation of sexual offences extremely seriously, and any allegation will be thoroughly investigated, with the wishes and needs of the victim as our main priority."